Welcome back. Now it's time to start a discussion about frames. A frame is a rectangular container to group and hold widgets. I'll create a button. It's gonna be shown in our window. It's gonna have a text of W, a font, of consolas, a size of 25, a width of 3, dot pack. Just press Ctrl D 3 times. Let's change it to A, S, and D. Now if I run this, as you can see, they are stacked here. Okay, let's also specify a side. So side equals to top, side equals to left, side again, left, side again, left. Now if I run this, we have them in this way, but if I increase this, they don't stay together. And to stay together, we need to put them inside a frame. So I'll go up here, I'll create a frame. Frame equals to frame. It's gonna be shown in our window. It's gonna have a background of, I don't know, let's say green. Let's type frame dot pack side equals to top. And now we need to change this to frame. So copy this, frame, frame, frame. Now if I run this, now they are stuck together, and if I increase this, they don't disalign. So if I increase this, they stay together. Now we can set a background or a border. So I'm gonna type BD for border of 5. Let's run this. Alright, so this is our discussion about frames. I'm gonna end this video here, and I'll see you in the next video.